So this is the clean dirty cube. You can see on one side, well, first of all, it looks like a cube. And inside, see there's this nice plasticky area. And that plasticky area is on the other side as well. The cool part is that there's a mesh, and this is breathable on this side. So that's where the clean clothes go. And then the dirty clothes, they go right here, where you wouldn't be able to smell anything if you put your nasty socks and underwear in the cube. So let me load this up really quick so you can see how it works. What you do is you take out one of the shirts, and so you wear it all day, it's done, it's finished. All you do is you unzip the dirty side, throw the shirt in there. Of course, you gotta roll it up when it's dirty. And you keep this up until this entire side is dirty and there's nothing left on the clean side. The cool part is here's my Osprey bag, and this just fits right inside the Osprey bag, so I'm ready to go. That's how I pack for a lot of my trips. Hope you enjoyed that tip. See you later.